Today is a travel day in the bus. Got our laundry done. We're heading out from the ranch. We're going to Bend, up Lapine State Park. That's where my sister lives, and so we're gonna go hang out with her. But I thought it'd be fun to show kind of how we get everything ready in here. Basically, we take everything that's up high, put it down low, open all the windows. We're gonna have to get the stumps out from behind the bus that have us jacked up. Get the car seats in. Thought some people might want to see how we strap our kids in. Put all the plants in the bathtub. Put other kitchen stuff in the sink. We got baskets down low. I'm gonna use GoPro on this one because this camera is hard to carry and do stuff. So ready, set. Alright, so that's basically the quick and dirty version. Everything comes down. And now I'm going to show you guys how we do a car seat. I'll just do one because they're both the same. But basically, under here we have these hooks that the car seats go on. There's another one over there. Can you see that? And so Leo sits facing forward this way. Jovi's got two hooks here. And then like for each kid, you just add more hooks. In my estimation, we could get 6 children. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. And then we'll just have to start strapping them to the floor if we have more. Actually, after 5, you don't need a seatbelt in an RV in Washington State, at least. I'm not sure about the laws about every state, but that's kind of nice. Leo's almost can just run around the bus legally. We put a towel underneath because we snack in the bus and we don't want snacks on everything. So this thing was outside and I just dumped it out and there's a ton of bugs in it, so I'm gonna vacuum it up. Okay, so this is like the grossest thing ever. There's like earwigs and mosquitoes and everything in here. So I'm gonna go shake this thing outside. Pro tip, don't leave car seats with food in them outside overnight, I guess. Usually we leave them on the driver's seat, but not last night. So this thing is like crawling with bugs. I'm all sweaty, that was exhilarating. It was like a game. They just keep swarming. Okay. There we go. Nice and tight. Ah!
What, more?
Another earwig. Where's the vacuum?
Stomp it.
Stomp it?
Put it away.
Oh yeah, you're right. They get under cracks. Nice. Alrighty, we got our inside all cleaned up. Outside all cleaned up.
Mommy.
There's Jovi playing the ukulele. Getting the, what you call it, the stumps out, the jacks out was a lot more work than I was expecting. Nothing like being super sweaty before you go on a nice trip. So now I have to go get the rest of our bikes that are scattered around the ranch. And I need my camera equipment in the big house.
We need all our clothes.
Gotta get our clothes. So we're gonna drive the bus around to a closer spot. And then we'll be on the road.
Joe, can I have a hug?
Yeah.
Big sweet.
I love you.
Watch out!
Tori.
We're gonna go see Tori?
Yeah.
Where's
Yeah.
Tori at?
She is at the campsite. I'm Mima.
You wanna see Mima?
Wait.
We'll see Mima tomorrow or the next day.
It takes like 100 days to do that.
Sure does.
Nice work. Bye, Leo. Yeah.
Is that a feather right there? Oh my goodness.
The bird? There was a bird?
I hit a bird while you were sleeping.
It was so loud and scary.
And like 1,000 bugs. Look at that.
Those flies eating the other dead bugs.
We're gonna have to scrub this baby down when we get home. $15 it. We got our whole situation. All right, made it to La Pine. We squeezed 4.5 hours into 6. So just drove through the desert, saw some cows. Not a lot going on. Joy made dinner and a thing. And we plugged in, got water, and now we're gonna go play. Say, Tori, come on, girl.
Tori, come on, girl. And bring a lighter and some firewood if you have.
Mima's not gonna make it. Beans. Nice. Who's this lady? All right, well, that's a travel day in the bus. We have the hatch open to air out the engine because it gets hot. Tori's here with her tent. She took the kids on a little bike ride, or Jovi's in the bath now. We went on a walk to the river earlier. That's pretty much it. We just reset the bus for bedtime, take the car seats out. What else do we do? Move the plants out of the bath, put everything back where it goes. And then tomorrow we'll do it again. It was a pretty uneventful drive. The kids are mostly good, and then asleep, and then sad, and then mad, and then good again, and then we got here. But yeah, we shoot for under 5 hours usually for a trip. But we're in La Pines now, and I'm alone. Joy's putting Jovi in the bath. Tori took Leo on a bike ride. Just sitting by the fire. Got our neighbors There's like everyone here has cornhole. Apparently La Pines is the cornhole place. We didn't come prepared for that. But tomorrow we're heading back to Olympia, and we'll be doing some more trips this summer. But this is basically what a long travel day looks like for us. Hope you guys enjoyed it. I'll see you soon. Peace.
Don't you, Joby?
No. It feels nice. I'll be shy down. Ready? Ready like this.